Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys and give you some tips on growing one of my favorite plants, the air plant. So you get many different types of Tilangias, and they are actually pretty magnificent plants. I find them unique in a way that they can actually grow on trees and they can get all of their water and nutrients from the actual tree. So here is one of my Tilangias, and it's actually in flower. And they produce these beautiful flowers, and once they actually finish flowering, they actually die, sadly. So this is obviously going to die soon. It just started to flower, and I'm super excited about it. And it lives in my birch tree here, in my orchid tree, where I grow all my orchids. Tilangias are not epiphytic, so they're not a parasite, so they don't actually do any harm to the tree. They're an epiphyte, which means that they just use the tree as a host. So they're pretty easy to grow. You can see this one here isn't in flower, but hopefully it will be soon. This is one of my older ones, and they actually have roots, but the roots don't actually do any structural damage to the tree. It just uses it as an anchor to anchor itself onto the tree. So Tilangias like lots and lots of sun, and they like to have lots of moisture. You do want to make sure that the moisture will drain away quickly, and you don't want them sitting in water, otherwise they can actually rot. And you don't really want to fertilize them with anything very potent, because if you fertilize them with something very potent, you can actually burn them and actually kill them. So I actually don't fertilize mine at all. What happens is, in nature, a bird might sit up in the canopy of the tree and poo on a branch, and then when it rains, the water will bring down the poo and it will dissolve into the water, and it will run down onto the tree, and that's how the Tilangia actually gets its nutrients. That is pretty much it for Tilangias. They're very easy to grow. They like full sun, they like lots of moisture, humidity, and they don't really like frost. So this is what happened to one of mine that got hit by frost this year. It's sort of started to die off. There's little green wisps here, but I don't think it's going to make it. Sadly, I'm just going to leave it onto this tree and cross my fingers and hope that it actually starts to grow again. But I don't really have high hopes for it. So that's it for today's video. It was just a quick video. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.